1 spatula of calcite or calcium carbonate in the boiling tube. Okay, next, before heating up, we have to close it with the delivery tube into the lime water. Okay, the purpose of this assessment is to find out whether calcite or calcium carbonate consists of elements, different elements to form a compound. Okay, start by heating up first. Let's see what you get in the lime water. This is the lime water. Okay, you can see there's gas, bubbles, right? Can you see bubbles, Adriana?
Yes.
Okay, that means there's gas being produced when you heat up calcium carbonate or calcite. But you do not know what gas it is until you can see there's a difference. What color was the initial color of the lime water? Anybody know?
Clear.
Clear, very good. Okay, let's see whether it remains clear or not. Okay, you just have to look at the lime water. Can you see anything changing?
Yes.
Okay, what can you see? Tell me, what's your observation? What can you see?
It turns cloudy.
Turns cloudy. Very good, Adriana. Okay, it shows that this gas is a, anybody?
Oxygen. Carbon.
No? Anybody else? What gas changes lime water to cloudy? Name the gas that changes lime water to cloudy. Anybody else?
Carbon dioxide.
Very good. Carbon dioxide. That means when you actually heat up calcite or calcium carbonate, you get carbon dioxide. Meaning that calcite or calcium carbonate consists of more than one element. Carbon, calcium, oxygen. Okay? Okay, can stop the first part.